What's up, guys? This is a 2023 Lamborghini Urus S, and it's the best daily driving Lamborghini you could buy. Today, we're going to do a walk around of the car, go over its options, and then take it out for a spin. So stay tuned.
This 2023 Lamborghini Urus S is finished in this stunning Verde Mantis exterior color, which is this green, lime green color, and it's finished over Nero Ade, aka black, on the inside. It does have some green accents inside as well, which we'll get to see that here in a few minutes. This example is a one owner, and it does have a clean Carfax as well. One of the options is these large 23-inch wheels from factory. This Urus has over $50,000 worth of options, so it's a well-optioned example. Some of the options is obviously the Verde Mantis, which was over $9,000 option. You get the green matching calipers, ambient light package, the 23-inch wheels, upgraded sound system, full electric front seats, upgraded stitching. I mean, the list goes on and on, as we'll see throughout this video. The difference between a standard Urus and the Urus S is you get some upgraded styling cues, so the front and rear bumper are slightly different than the previous generation Urus, and you also get the carbon fiber hood, which we'll see that here when we look under the engine bay, but it is pretty sweet. Big old carbon ceramic brakes. I mean, this thing is so cool. Such a cool SUV. Look at that thing, guys. I mean, goodness gracious. An easy way to tell that's a Urus S is the hood. You get those vents on the hood. It makes it look way more menacing. And with just over 4,000 miles, obviously there's no scraping or anything like that. Previous owner took really great care of this car. Under the hood, you still get the 4.0 V8 that is twin turboed, except they upped the power on the Urus S. It's now about 657 horsepower. And yeah, it's pretty sick. Here's the underside of the carbon fiber hood. You can see the vents and the carbon fiber weave. It's pretty sweet. We should take a listen to that thing. Now, as we move into the interior, here's a close-up of that insane Verde Mantis paint. But on the inside, it looks cool. If you don't like green, this car's not for you, clearly, as you get the green all the way throughout the interior, which is what they kind of leaned on for the updated Urus S. Bring a little bit more color onto the inside. Of course, you get that bright green steering wheel. Here's a quick look at the miles. 4653 before take it out for a spin in a bit, but yeah, pretty cool, pretty standard from the outgoing Urus to the Urus S so far. Here's a quick look at the rear seat. Surprisingly, there's a good amount of space in here, so 4 adults could fit comfortably in a Urus, which is makes it a pretty capable SUV at the end of the day. With it being the Lamborghini SUV, obviously you get this giant cargo space. It comes with this charger, obviously, and the Lamborghini all-weather mat here for the rear area here. Little side netting, things like that, but tons of space. Seats fold down, the whole nine, so you got a ton of space at the end of the day. Get the full capability of an SUV. Moving into the rear passenger area. Guys, when I tell you that it looks like nobody's ever sat in the back of these seats, they look brand new. Nobody looks like they've ever sat in these things. So this is a great opportunity for someone to pick up a pretty much new 2023 Lamborghini Urus. Here's a great shot of the whole entire front with everything turned on, all the screens and everything like that. It is definitely a Lamborghini. Here I'm going to demonstrate how quick the new updated infotainment system is. It's a lot quicker on these Urus S's compared to the previous generation. Still have that same kind of touchscreen, which I'll go over in a little bit, but as you can see, it's pretty responsive. You got your fighter pilot on and off switch right there, and then you have your drive selector, which puts it in sport, Corsa, aka race, and snow right there. This little screen is actually in the back seat for the passengers, so they can use their own temperature. Here's a quick look at the options list, that 281,000. Feel free to pause and go over it if you need.
Okay guys, here it is, a 2023 Lamborghini Urus, or Urus. Here's the key. Finally they updated the key. It's not just like a regular Audi key, which is kind of nice. It has the actual Lambo and all stuff all over it. The paint, this Verde Mantis paint is so sick. I don't know if you can see the sparkle, but it's got like a really nice sparkle to it with the green interior, green and black interior. All right, here we are inside the Lamborghini Urus S. And as of course, as with every Lamborghini, fighter jet style. Turn on that motor. Overall, really cool car. This one was stickered at like $281,000, and it only has, as you can see there, 4654 on the mileage on the odometer there. Turn on the ventilated seats. It has heated and ventilated seats, which is beautiful, but obviously for that price point, you would hope that it does. Has a heads-up display, which is nice, full color heads-up display. All this stuff is all touchscreen, so all of your AC controls and all that kind of stuff, it's all right here, touchscreen, and then this is a touchscreen as well. What I really like about the Urus, I mean, I wish everything wasn't touchscreen, because it's kind of hard sometimes, kind of finicky, but what I really like about it is that it actually has like a haptic feedback, so it actually kind of vibrates when you touch it, so it kind of gives you that like that confirmation that you actually hit the button that you needed, which is kind of cool. You have your gear selector here, so this is how you put it in reverse. A lot of people don't know, but in Lamborghinis nowadays, to put it in drive, there's no drive anywhere, right? There's park, there's manual, and then this is kind of like what it tells you, and then reverse, throw that in reverse, and that's how you do that. But to put a Lamborghini in drive, you actually just put your foot on the brake and pull the paddle, and as you can see, we are in drive now. So yeah, we'll go and take it out for a quick little spin. Right over here, this little selector is actually how you change the driving dynamics. So in Anima, so you have Strada, which is kind of like your normal kind of tame driving. Sport obviously is a little bit more intense. Obviously you can hear the, I don't know if you can hear, but the power went up just a little bit. You can see it actually on that little power graph there, which is cool. And then you have Corsa, which is changes everything. Gets the RPMs up. You can see that they're sitting like right about 1,000 RPM. But if I go back to Strada, you'll see drop down underneath 1,000, only like 500-600 RPM. So it's kind of cool. I like to drive it in sport. It's a little bit more fun. You do lose some driver assistance things because it's you know, it wants you to have a little bit of fun, but we'll go have some fun. You have this green steering wheel, which reminds you that you are driving a green car at all times. My favorite color is green, so I don't mind. Look how good that car looks. Woo-wee, big old carbon ceramic brakes. This thing is sweet. The Lamborghini Urus is Lamborghini's best-selling car, so it's no surprise that there's so many of these on the road. And with the Urus S, it's just a little bit more refined than the previous regular Urus. Such a good driving car. I know this and the RSQ8 are essentially the same thing, but at the end of the day, this is a Lamborghini, baby. Stickered at $281,000 brand new, so it is well optioned and right now we're right around 250, 255. Drives so smooth, even in sport mode. Pull the window down a little bit so you can hear the exhaust. This does have the full sunroof, so it's got that full thing. Go ahead, my boy. Little F8 coming down the road. We are in the Mecca, so we see things like that all the time. Does have paddle shifters, which are metal, which are kind of nice. Shifts are very responsive. Dual clutch transmission. Just over 650 horsepower in this twin turbo V8. So she rips. So easy to rip in this car. But it's kind of nice. You put it back into Strada, which is like normal mode, and it's very tame. It's quiet. Very daily drivable. Be cool to say you know, daily drive a Lamborghini. It's pretty nice. Obviously you have 3 seats in the back, so you can fit all of your friends, family, kids, whatever. It does have Apple CarPlay as well. My phone's not synced up to it now, but obviously you do have Apple CarPlay here. Regular radio, which is cool. We'll go to sport and we'll put manual modes on it. We can do the paddle shifters. Here's a good look at the panoramic sunroof. Some people don't like it, other people do love it. So this one has it, which is kind of cool. Overall, a really comfortable car. I could drive this every day. I don't know about you, but I definitely could. I mean, it's a freaking Lamborghini, guys. It's a freaking Lambo. Got an Italian flag right here, just in case you forget where it's made. Look at those shifts. No problem. I mean, look at that. I mean, it's so refined. It's so nice to drive. Got the little pops too, which is kind of cool. Such a cool car. Getting regular drive here. She's a ripper. What's such a cool little like tidbit is like the windows, like when you put them up and down, like they're so soft and like, you know, like classy, you know what I mean? Like it's very nice and easy going up and nice and easy going down. I think like if you ever sit in a Lamborghini and like do the window, like you'll kind of get what I'm saying. Like it's so nice and easy. I don't know, something weird, but something I noticed. Anyways, guys, I have a bunch of Uruses, but this one is my absolute favorite one that we've ever had. It's a great looking spec, the green, like I said, it's loud. The loud car, but when you're buying a Lamborghini, you need that, right? I mean, yeah, black is cool, white is cool, but green is awesome. It's very Lambo. You show up, your friends know, hey man, that guy's driving a Lamborghini or that gal's driving a Lamborghini. You know, get a cool color, get a cool spec. It's this one right here is such a neat spec. You're definitely gonna get a lot of attention, but I think you deserve it, right? But guys, let's finish off this video. Let's go. So there you have it, guys. You get the status and power of a Lamborghini and the convenience of an SUV. It's a no-brainer. This one won't last very long, and this one's available now at OBZU.